Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge on Sunday has linked the BJP to poison and termed them as politically most dangerous in India. He was speaking in Sangli in Maharashtra during the public meeting as a part of the campaign for November 20th Assembly polls, saying if there is anything which is politically the most dangerous in India, it is the BJP and the RSS. They are like poison. If a snake bites the poison, who is bitten dies. Such a poisonous snake should be killed, unquote, are the comments that were made by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Meanwhile, a reaction has stirred the political controversy on the recent comments targeting the BJP and the RSS by BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla now has slammed Kharge's statement and said that this is not right. Let us listen to what, in fact, both of them have said.
अगर आप बोलेंगे गलती से ये सांप है भाई, इसको नहीं छूना बोल के अगर मैं बोला, वो कैसा रहता देखेंगे बोल के पकड़ने गए तो आपको वो विष तुम्हारे शरीर में उतरेगा। नहीं मैं जरा विष है भाई, इसको मत आप छुओ बोल के अगर मैंने कहा नहीं मैं जरा चाट के देखता हूं, अगर आप बोलेंगे तो क्या हालत होगी तुम्हारी? वैसा ही बीजेपी एक विष है जैसा है, एक पॉइजन जैसा है। इसको चाट के देखने की जरूरत नहीं, इसको निकाल के फेंकने की जरूरत।
मोहब्बत की दुकान या ये नफरत की जुबान और नफरत फैलाने वाले भाईजान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, जिन्होंने योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को आतंकी कहा भगवा पहनने वाले लोग राजनीति में ना आए, जिनके बेटे ने कहा सनातन बीमारी है, जिनके घटक दल ने कहा सनातन समाप्त हो जाए, आज वो कहते हैं कि बीजेपी आरएसएस एक पॉइजनस स्नेक की तरह है और इस पॉइजनस स्नेक को मार देना चाहिए। यही इनकी मानसिकता है। जनता ने जिन्हें चुना है तीसरी बार, उन्हें पॉइजनस स्नेक कहना और मारने की बात करना मतलब हिंसा भड़काना चुनाव में, ये वही लोग हैं जो जनता को भी नहीं बख्शते, जनता को भी राक्षस कहते हैं और अब जनता के चुने हुए प्रतिनिधि को पॉइजनस स्नेक बताकर हिंसा का उपयोग चुनाव में करना।
All right, viewers, joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Mehdi Garg. Mehdi, now it seems like a war of words has now stirred after the recent comments by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge attacking the BJP and the RSS and comparing the organizational body of and the brainchild of the BJP, in fact, to poisonous snake. These are very serious allegations and comments that in fact have come from the Congress, but the BJP in the recent have attacked the Congress president and also made serious responses as well. Kindly break us down break it down for us, the entire controversy and how it is in fact garnering the reactions from the union and the top leadership of the BJP.
Well, indeed, Simran, the politics have escalated and also the war of words between Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress after the Congress's president Mallikarjun Kharge's comment where he, targeted BJP and also their ideological fountainhead RSS, saying that they are poisonous and termed them as politically most dangerous in India. And this statement has came from a public meeting as a part of his campaign that he was doing ahead of the Maharashtra elections in Maharashtra. And also, he mentioned that how, he thinks that if a snake bites, the person dies, but such poisonous snakes should be killed. So this has been said in terms of, targeting the Bharatiya Janata Party. But on this, the reactions are also coming, and Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of BJP, has targeted and replied back to this statement of Kharge's and said that BJP, the Congress party is that which take elections and which look into elections as a jihad. And also he mentioned in his statement that how Mallikarjun Kharge is, relating BJP and RSS to a poisonous snake, but he allegedly accused the Congress party to not even spare the public, but also instigate violence in between the time of elections. And he also mentioned one line, the Mohabbat ki Dukaan, and the language of hatred. And he mentioned Mallikarjun Kharge as Bhaijan in his statement, who is spreading hatred in between the elections. So these are the war of words that have escalated, and Shehzad Poonawalla getting back at Mallikarjun Kharge. But he also targeted Yogi Adityanath. But Mallikarjun Kharge in his comment also targeted Yogi Adityanath, apart from the top leadership of BJP and RSS and all that. Shehzad Poonawalla has also mentioned that how the Congress leaders have targeted the saffron-wearing people and have mentioned that Sanatan is a disease and whose constituent party.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.